So I am gonna wait for a minute or two and see how many people are joining in. So today I'm going to be talking about lipsticks, and it's a really exciting live. So hi guys, I am Pranita Pandit and I'm live on Amazon Live, and today's session is about lipsticks. So let me check how many of you are live out here. Can see the numbers. Can you guys see me? Yeah, now I can see the numbers go up. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. आप सबने मुझे टेलीविजन पे देखा है बहुत बार, and so I will just take a few minutes more before I start talking about today's live, which is on lipsticks. You can see all these lipsticks shaking. So I am super excited. I can see the numbers go up. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and welcome to Amazon Live. And I'm an actor, I'm an influencer, I can talk about fashion, and I'm a mommy too. So yes, you can check out my page, follow me, and you will get to know more about me. So I am just gonna wait a minute more and then start this live. Yes. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm on Amazon Live with all of you, and today we are talking about lipsticks. So this live is super special to me because I'm really excited about it. And जो ये makeup है, that is my interest. And सब मुझसे shoot पे पूछते थे that how do I do my makeup so fast? And मैं गाड़ी में मेकअप कर लेती हूँ. So that is my super power. I can do my entire makeup in 10 minutes in the car while it's moving. चाहे वो लिपस्टिक हो, चाहे वो लाइनर हो. बट आज हम लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. सो वन थिंग जो मैं आपको सबसे पहले बताना चाहती हूँ अबाउट लिप्स is that lipstick and eyeshadow are very important in makeup. अगर आप बहुत bright lipstick पहन रहे हैं, then make sure that you don't put a very heavy eyeshadow. Like you see, I've kept my eyes blank. और आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि why am I not wearing a lipstick? Because I'm going to try out multiple lipsticks and in front of you guys, and I'm going to show you how it looks, how it actually is, shade क्या है, color क्या है, plus क्या है, minus क्या है. एंड लिपस्टिक का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है लिप लाइनर, जो बहुत सारे लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं. सो गाइज, लिप लाइनर्स आर द स्टार्ट ऑफ लिपस्टिक. सो here I'm going to click on this. It's a Swiss Beauty का bold matte lip liners, and this is the box. I recently have got it, and I am going to apply this in front of you all and see how it goes, because अगर lip liner अच्छा नहीं हो, so it will never give that definition to your lips. Oh my god, look at this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you're getting 12 lip liners. Here I have marked it. You can check it out. And 4,758 people apart from me जिन्होंने इसको रिव्यू किया हुआ है. So that means that the product that you're getting here is fab. So plus it is only for $500. Just imagine 12 lip liners of all shades and colors for 500, not even 500, it's 479 rupees. It has a 4.5 star rating and it is on a 40% off. And right now I'm going to pick a lip liner. So I'm going to go with the lightest shade here. Hi guys, I don't know, are you guys there? Why can I not see the chats go up? Okay, so I don't know what's up. Sorry. Hi guys. Oh, Avinash, finally I can see someone say lipstick. Yeah, it is about lipstick. So which is the best one? So I'm going to try the nude one sabse pehle, and it's called the Choco Nude 03. It comes in this pack of 12, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to see, this is how it looks. This is the shade of the lip liner, which is very important, and you will see me apply it. See, lip liners last a really long time, let me tell you that, because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, हम खाना खा रहे होते हैं, so the lipstick gets like consumed with the food, but the lip liner stays. So at least it gives a nice definition. So once I do my lips, you will know, and I'm going to do a lipstick marathon. So Hmm. Let's see. Here you go. It's really nice. No, today we are not talking about eyeshadows, Avinash. I'm just talking about lipsticks, and I'm gonna apply. So I've applied the lip liner. It's a nude shade. It's really nice. It comes in this box, you know, of 12. So yes, I am very excited. And let me go to my second product. I will keep coming back to the lip liner box that is here, which is available at a 40% discount. But let me tell you about this amazing lipstick that I'm gonna mark it here first, and then we will talk about it. Is Reneca Madness PH Stick. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. This is my second product actually that I'm going to be showcasing, which is this here. Is this lipstick smells good? Yes, it does. Right now, let me open it and show it to you. Actually, बहुत interesting lipstick है because इसका जो color है, firstly, it maintains the pH of your lips. So जो dry lips है and you don't feel like putting a lipstick, but you want a lipstick on. And the best part is that this lipstick is black. तो अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि this is going to make my lips black, but that is not the case. So this is Reneca PH stick, which is called Madness, and I'm going to apply it and let's see how it goes. This lipstick does smell good, and actually इसका USP ये है कि ये हर lips पे अलग shade देता है. So let me apply it and show it to you. Can you see that? Wow! Look at that. It has that little nice light pink color, and it is looking so good. It smells good, it looks good, and it might look different on your lips. It's black in color, but it has not made my lips black. In fact, ये बहुत ज़्यादा moisturizing है, and and it feels really good. Actually, as a base lipstick also you can apply it. It's such a good product. If you see the color, it is that very light pink, and the best part is कि हर इंसान के lips पे अलग दिखेगा. So that is the best part. So this is how it looks in my lips, and I love it. So this is Rene's Madness PH stick, which is black in color. I have marked it here. You can go and check it out. And I've also got lots of my favorite lip colors right here with me, and I'm going to be applying all of them, I hope, if I have the time. और आप सब इसके बारे में सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. So there you go. It's for 449 rupees. It's on a 10% off. A lot of people, a lot of bloggers have used it. They've tried it. People have reviewed it. So it has great reviews. And if you want something natural, you don't feel like putting a lipstick जो crack हो या, oh my god, this is super moisturizing and it is looking really nice. So this is my second pick, and all I have done is कि मैंने जो lip liner है वो from the Swiss box, which I had marked below. This is the lip liner that I have used, जो बहुत ही natural है and pastel है. It is not like loud, and this is how this lipstick is looking. So I'm done with the Rene PH stick called Madness, and now I am going to slowly move to my next lipstick. So let's go back on the list, and I'm going to, of course, take out this lipstick and show you how the other one looks. So let me see. अगर मैं ये निकालती हूँ तो see, can you see the color? It's come out here, yeah. It is so nice. And my lipstick is off. Wow. This is so amazing. See. Wow. That is looking nice. So here you go. I've taken it out and I love it. Let's move to up all questions. पूछो, like, we can just interact a bit, and any lipstick you want me to try, any shade जो आप list में देख रहे हो, you feel it's exciting and you want to know more about it, please ask me. So I am gonna share. Okay, now let me try something interesting, which is on deal of the day. It is on a 45% off. I've marked it here. It's called My Glam Ka LIT liquid lip liner, which is right here in my hands. This is My Glam LIT, and I think this is going to be very very like pink and bright. So somebody who is very fair, जो बहुत गोरे हैं, उनके ऊपर ये लिपस्टिक बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. I personally don't use a lot of pop colors, but मैंने ये shade देखा, I was like, wow, this is looking so nice. So I just thought I will try it on today on this live and see. So with this, I think I can match it with this lip liner. So I think this कितने का है? ये है only 217 rupees का, and it is on a 45% off. So it's on the deal of the day. In fact, इसमें बहुत सारे और shades हैं. 217 रुपए का ये. So yeah, that is how it is. And I'm gonna put this lip liner right here, and then I'm gonna apply this lipstick, because like I said, lip liner is a must. And here you're getting this whole box of lip liners for how much? I just bought it actually. It's for 479. Here is the lip liner. This is how it looks. इसके अंदर है. See, the lipstick was absolutely waterproof. And yes, now let's move from the lip liner to this lipstick, which is like super pink. So I'm like, okay, let's see how it goes. Oh my god. See, lip liner, also you don't have to really like, apply a lot. Halka sa, just to give it definition. It's very important. Yes, you must try it. So here I have applied the lip liner. You can see that definition, and it is a very important part of lipstick. Yeah, you must try it, Garima. So here you go. This is the lipstick I'm talking about, which is the My Glam Ka LIT, and it is quite pink. So I'm very excited. Let's see. I'm nervous also, because usually मैं सिर्फ nudes and matte prefer करती हूँ, but this one is different. So let me see how it looks. Let's see. So also, you don't have to put a lot. It's already looking really nice. Put a lot of it. A little bit less is more. So please don't like put a lot of lipstick, because थोड़े से में जब when you get the right shade, you're good to go. Then always apply, Okay, hi, please tell me a good natural lip balm for my kids. I am going to tell you that, right, for sure. I have it on my list, and I'm going to go to that next. So this is the oh my god, wow, look at that. Look at this. It looks so good. I actually didn't expect it to look this good on me, because I'm always nervous कि अरे ये shade नहीं बहुत loud है, but it's not so loud. It's looking really nice. See, and the lip liner has done the magic. Clearly, this is the lip liner that I've used from the Swiss box with this, and I'm gonna be talking about natural lip balms for kids also. And ये actually बहुत जल्दी dry हो गया है. So see, there is no mark, and it's not coming off. Yummy. I love it. I think it's one of my favorites now, and I'm glad I bought this. I was very nervous, but I thought कि कुछ different color करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि all natural shades will not be interesting for all you guys. So I decided to give it a try, and you can see I'm talking so much, but still my lipstick is intact. Nothing is coming off. It is stuck to my lips. My fingers are clean. So here I am live in front of you guys trying out My Glam LIT liquid lipstick, which is available in some other colors as well. So you can check it out. It has a fab rating. It's on a 45% off. And now that Caring Mom has just asked me about a good natural lip balm for kids, today's session is about lipsticks. But मुझे पता था कि कोई ना कोई तो होगा जिसको जानना होगा about natural lipsticks or lip balms. So there is a brand that I'm going to run to right now, and I'm going to talk about it. So firstly, I'll be taking off this lipstick, and then of course I'm going to be trying on more. So guys, this is actually, oh my god, ये तो इतनी आसानी से आ भी नहीं रहा बाहर. So let me just put my, I have kept this ready for this time because I knew some lipsticks stay longer, so that means that this lipstick is there to last on your lips. Now we were talking about lip balm, so I have got these lip balms in different colors because बच्चे they, my daughters too, so she keeps seeing me apply lipstick and she wants to apply lipstick, and of course because lipsticks have chemicals I can't let her apply lipstick. So I got to know about this particular balm. See, it's come off now. So yeah, I'm taking it out. There you go. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm with you guys on Amazon Live, and today we are trying out lipsticks. And now my next product is about a lip balm, which is also a lipstick, which is one of my favorites, which is a Comedy Ka handmade lip balm. It comes in different colors. अगर आप ये देखेंगे इसमें बहुत सारे colors है, and it does the job. And this is absolutely safe because it is handmade, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, no preservatives, it's 100% vegetarian, and it is safe to use. This is a very dark shade, so I'm not going to try this right now. There are a lot of shades available in this. Okay, this looks nice and pink, and it is a lip balm. It is safe for kids also क्योंकि इसमें कोई chemical नहीं है. It's actually made of ghee. So, and it does the job. Like a child feels कि उसने lipstick लगाया है, but technically there is no chemical, there is no lipstick, there is no nothing. So it is just very moisturizing, and this is how it looks. Oh, it's a nice orange. You saw. Okay, this is so nice. It's very nourishing. इसकी जो smell है ना, that it'll smell like a little ghee, but the smell is not like great. But because it's natural, it's cruelty free, it's absolutely safe. You can just go and buy it. This is the shade that I have applied right now. It is a lip balm, and it looks nice. Even if your child applies it, वो लेके apply कर लेता है, तो फिर there's not a problem because, and it has a lot of shades. So if your kid wants a cherry lip, which is like a deeper color, you can let them try. So I'm going to take this off. Thanks, it is perfect actually. So many people asked me about this. I had reviewed it on my Insta page, and a lot of people asked me. So like for little girls also, they want to apply lipstick, but you don't want to give them any chemical, but you can't say no, but you have it in your wardrobe, you can just take it out, give it to them and say, le lo, laga ke dekh lo. So I will try another shade from here, which is it's called Cherry Lips. So let's see how it looks on my lips. Okay, this is of course dark. It has a potent color. You can see it, right? Oh my god. And this is actually a lip balm. It's not a lipstick, but it does the job of a lipstick. So this is how it looks. See this. This is the shade that you get from these lip balms, which by mistake, if your kids also put, you don't have to worry, you don't have to stress. And बहुत ज़्यादा moisturizing है, so it is really nice. Let us look at Kiss Lips is another shade. ये मैंने try करके दिखाया आपको, and let's go to the Kiss Lips. Okay, this also looks nice to me. This shade looks nice. This is the other shade, almost similar, but yeah, there's a little difference. If you see, no, there is quite a bit of difference. So that was the red. This is like a little pinkish, orangish. Now let's move to crush lips. ये भी है, ये थोड़ा deeper लग रहा है. So let's try this on too. Yeah, see थोड़ा सा तो it's very very hydrating. You can see the colors. It looks nice. Feels good. Like I don't want to put a lipstick. I just want to step out, put something little. Then this is the product to go to. Yeah, you go. ये रहा. So I've taken this out. This was the Comedy handmade cruelty free lipstick, and this is amazing. So I'm gonna just remove this from here, from my hand, and we are going to move ahead to our other lipsticks that I have lined up here for you. So let's go. Now which lipstick do I try? Okay, now this is also समथिंग जो मैं नहीं यूजुअली वेयर करती हूँ, बट आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई इट ऑन बिकॉज आई थॉट ये बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है टू शो इट टू यू एंड टू माई सेल्फ. सो ये अभी अभी ऑर्डर किया है मैंने, तो इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली न्यू एंड दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई थिंक वी टॉकिंग अबाउट. यस, इट्स द फेसेस कैनेडा का गो चिक लिपस्टिक एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. ये रहा, ये एब्सोल्युटली न्यू है, आप सब देख सकते हैं. इट हैज़ 6,557 people who have, I'm going to tell you that very soon, which is my favorite. Of course, that's my next. People have tried it. It's only for 179 rupees. It's on a 40% off, and 6,557 people have reviewed it. तो सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ who's bought this lipstick. बहुत सारे और लोग हैं जिन्होंने खरीदा है and they have loved it. It has got a 4 star. So let me just first apply it on my hand. Oh my god, बहुत ही amazing shine है. It's very nice. Look at that. It just has a very nice sheen. इसके साथ कौन सा lip liner use किया जाए? I think इसके साथ भी matte जाएगा. So let's try the matte lip liner, which is natural in color, and apply the lipstick. Hi. I am gonna tell you about my favorite lipstick also, which is right here with me, which is here. ये next है. So actually ये ना lipstick के ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो. Like you see that shine? It's so beautiful. Here I've marked it. You guys can check it out. Let me apply this lipstick today. My lips are, oh my god. It's glitter, glitter, glitter. See this? It's very natural. It's not like a very loud color. Like if you're wearing a very subtle dress और बहुत इवनिंग के लिए, आई थिंक इट्स रियली गुड लिपस्टिक. लाइक आई सेड, अगर आप ये लिपस्टिक लगा रहे हो, यू कैन गो लाउड ऑन योर आईज, क्योंकि बोथ आई मेकअप एंड हैवी लिपस्टिक दे डोंट लुक नाइस. सो दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट शेड, न्यूट्रल सा कलर है. सो आई थिंक दिस विल रियली गो वेल. सो हियर इज फेसेस कैनेडा का गो चिक लिपस्टिक, which I've marked here. You can check it out. It's got 4 star, and my favorite lipstick is what I'm going to be talking about next. And before I talk about my favorite lipstick, I'm going to get this one off. But I like it too. So many lipsticks I've got. There are 2-3 of my favorites. एक नहीं है, but yeah, let me just talk about it and show it to you guys. I'm trying to let the lip liner be. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक में. What is it that I always wear? My favorite lipstick, or I would say my go-to lipstick, is Sephora for sure. I'm gonna mark it for you and you can check it out. And मैंने इसका similar shades भी बहुत सारा निकाल के रखा हुआ है. This here it is. It is on a 45% off. It has got a 5 star, and this is how the lipstick looks. It is the number 13, which is called I don't know what it's called, to be very honest. It's the number 13 lipstick. Yeah, I think they're only numbered. So I remember the number 13 in Sephora. This is how it is. This is the shade. It's very natural. It's very me. And अब आपको पता है ना कि मेरा लिपस्टिक फेवरेट क्यों है, बिकॉज इट्स माई डेली वेयर लिपस्टिक. इसमें मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना पड़ता. Just apply it and I'm good to go. So I like my face like this with this lipstick. I must have applied it बहुत सारे और lives में भी आप सबके सामने. So this is it. I love this and ये मेरा favorite lipstick है and that is why. See, again this also sticks to your face. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई residue नहीं है. It dries up really fast, तो कुछ भी extra की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So it's very natural, it's very nice and it looks good. So this is one of my favorites for sure. So let's see. I don't know. Something just kind of went on and I'm gonna get out of this lipstick and I'm gonna. Hi Uttam Kumar, hello. So so many men, कोई सवाल ही नहीं पूछ रहा मुझसे. Come on guys, आप लोग बताओ. Like you said, अपना favorite lipstick बताओ. I told you my favorite lipstick. अब आप मुझे बताओ कि और क्या जानना चाहते हो और कौन से shades you like the best and उसके बारे में अगर आपको कुछ जानना है, because I'm trying out lipsticks in front of you. You can always ask me and I can always tell you. So I am getting this lipstick out and then I'm going to move to my next lipstick. Here you go. Wow. There you go. My lipstick is off. This was the Sephora collection and it's very smooth, it's very mild, it's really nice on your lips. It doesn't feel dry and that is why I love it. इसलिए ये one of my favorites है. It's number 13. It has a 5-star rating. ये 45% discount में. It is an expensive lipstick, but there are lots of other lipsticks that are here which मतलब literally मैंने इस live में from 150 rupees के lipstick till 2000 के lipsticks I'm going to be reviewing it all and you can ask me why, what, but you know there are so many competitive brands that are there और सारे अच्छे हैं. सो कभी कभी मुझे लगता है ये सस्ता है तो ये अच्छा नहीं होगा, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द ट्रूथ. या फिर ये महंगा है ये बहुत अच्छा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको बस अपना शेड पिक करना है, ट्राई करना है, देखना है व्हाट लुक्स नाइस ऑन यू एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. सो लेट्स नॉट जज लिपस्टिक्स with the price tag, please guys. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and today we're going to be talking about lipsticks. I've already tried like 1 2 3 4 5 lipsticks in front of you and there are many more stocked up here to try and I am very excited and there are a lot of lip liners that I have जिसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे and जो मैं आपको try करके बताऊंगी. So yeah, let's go ahead and see more. There you go. Use only dry skin lipstick. Dry skin lipsticks बहुत सारे हैं. Like I said, ये वाले for dry skin it's really good. ये मुझे अपनी वाइफ के लिए चाहिए. Best lipstick कौन सी है? I think the Rene Madness PH is really good. ये हमेशा वो अपने बैग में रख सकती है. It can be like you know a really amazing gift and at the same time Rene का जो दूसरा लिपस्टिक है which is my favorite and this is here. It's called you know Fab 5 Nudes and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be trying out all these 5 shades and let's see how they look on my face. और ये अब it's so easy to carry actually. 5 लिपस्टिक एक में and all shades जो अच्छे लगेंगे तो यू कैन एक्चुअली गिफ्ट इट टू हर. रेने आई हैव मार्क्ड इट हियर. इट्स ऑन 20% डिस्काउंट. 600 रुपये में लिटरली आपको 5 शेड्स ऑफ लिपस्टिक मिल रहे हैं. वेरी इजी टू कैरी. बोर हो गए फॉर ट्रैवल. बहुत अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट है ये एंड इट इज़ ओनली फॉर $600. इट्स ऑन 20% ऑफ. And this is, you know, a television actor who I've worked with, Ashka, her brand. So, of course, मैंने सबसे पहले ट्राई किया था. वी हैव डन अ शो टुगेदर एंड एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो मुझे लगता हाई कितना अच्छा मेकअप करती है. एंड यू नो शी वॉज मच ओल्डर टू मी. बट हम लोग एक शो कर रहे थे कॉल्ड लागी तुझसे लगान एंड शी वॉज वेरी मच अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट शो एंड हर मेकअप वॉज ऑलवेज परफेक्ट. एंड आई थिंक शी इज गॉट इन टू द राइट बिजनेस ऑल्सो ऑफ मेकअप. And she's done this, so of course it had to be perfect. Let's see. अच्छा सारे लिपस्टिक्स ना बहुत ये it's full of moisture, doesn't feel like, oh my god, wow, look at that. Yes, Vishal asked me. आपको तो उत्तम आई थिंक ये लेना चाहिए. रेनिका. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It is so nice. ये रहा. यहाँ मार्क्ड है 600 रुपये में है and it's on 20% off. You can just not even think your wife is going to be super happy. Just go buy this stick. It's called the Fab Nude. Fab 5 Nudes. So it is like I've just tried it on and I'm loving it. I think I'm changing my mind. वो Sephora का जो लिपस्टिक दिखाया था now this is my favorite. ये मैं भी पहली बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ. So I don't know I'm gonna love it so much, but I really love it. ये है मुझे अपनी वाइफ के लिए चाहिए बेस्ट. कौन सी? Oh my god, आप दोनों ले सकते हैं यार. All of you can buy it, so there is not a problem. इसमें 5 shades हैं. I'm gonna try a few and सबसे amazing बात है you can just pop this one out, put it नीचे and there you go. Your next lipstick is ready. This is how it looks. It looks really nice according to me. And it's all like the tissues ready रखे हैं because I want to फटाफट switch lipsticks for you guys. So yeah, अगर आपकी वाइफ बहुत fair है then I would say this one. This pink lipstick मैंने पहले try किया इस live में. आप देख सकते हो. It was amazing. It looked really nice. तो अगर आपको nudes में जाना है then this lipstick. अगर आपको bright और अच्छे colors like loud colors पसंद हैं then if your wife likes it then this is the one to go for, which is the My Glam का LIT. And इसकी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे shades भी available हैं. So I'm going to try out the next. I'm going to actually come back and try out more lipsticks. Oh my god, इतने सारे lipsticks बचे हैं अभी. So let's go. Here you go. I'll put my lip liner again because ये सारे निकल गए होंगे. Thanks for trying. I'm going to be trying the red one very soon, guys, so please be tuned. But I'm right now going to just stick to a nice matte shade of lip liner, which is Swiss Box के 12 shades मैंने लिए हैं. So I am, दिख रहे हो आप? Just gonna apply it. Always apply it a little properly. So अगर lip liner अच्छा लगाया हुआ है, lipsticks will look fab. Lip liner नहीं लगाया, lipsticks look flat. तो fab और flat के बीच में जो चीज़ आती है वो है लिप लाइनर व्हेन इट कम्स टू लिपस्टिक. सो या पता है कभी कभी आपको एक सीक्रेट बता दूँ. मेरा लिपस्टिक लगाने का नहीं मन करता. मैं लिटरली लिप लाइनर लगाती हूँ और बाम लगा लेती हूँ एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. बट लिप लाइनर इज अ मस्ट. सो देयर यू गो. This looks nice to me. See, आपको already मेरे lips define नहीं लग रहे. Like it's looking like I've done something without me putting a lipstick. It's the lip liner magic. Let me just come a little closer and show it to you. And it is so important to put a lip liner. So there you go. And I'm going to be putting the next lip shade of Rene. And I think it is amazing. I think I know. There you go. Oh my god, even this one is yum. बहुत ही सही है. जो लास्ट वाला था वो थोड़ा डार्क था. दिस हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑरेंज इन इट but it's yet nude and it's really looking nice. So this is now one of my favorite lipsticks, guys. So I'm glad I bought it and I'm glad I reviewed it, because look at how it looks. It's looking nice. एंड आप लोग बताइए कौन सा लिपस्टिक और आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ट्राई करूँ. वेट वेट वेट, ये तो रहने का था. Sephora I've already done. Let's move to Just Herbs का Ayurvedic lipstick. So I'm also a fan of all these Ayurvedic non-toxic lipsticks. So I'm going to take off this lipstick and I'm going to put this other one, Just Herbs ka lipstick on, which is on a 31% off. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm on Amazon Live, and today we're talking about lipsticks. So here, there you go. It's Just Herbs ka Ayurvedic lipstick, which is on a 31% off. It's only for 411 rupees. You don't even have to think about it and just buy it. Let me take out this lipstick and then I'll put that one up and I'll show you how that looks. So yeah. It's out. I'm letting the lip liner be because अगर मैं लिप लाइनर लगाती रहूँगी हर लिपस्टिक के साथ तो मैं बहुत केयरफुली निकाल रहा हूँ लिपस्टिक को, so that the lip liner doesn't come off. And guys, please take care of your lips. You have to hydrate your lips properly. तो balm is a must. Like I said, ये वाला जो पूरा collection है of natural lip balms, then you know. What are you using? I'm using a Garnier ka remover to remove the lipstick thing, and I have this makeup removing towel. We'll do a session, then we will talk about makeup removers. It's a lot of fun because मेरे पास बहुत सारे makeup removers हैं and मेरी बहुत dry skin है, so I really like, you know, love trying out good makeup removers. So I have like lots of them. So yeah, it's good. So now I'm going to be trying this. It's marked here. Check it out. Let me see. Oh, sorry, this. Just Herbs ka lipstick. So here you go. I'm going to try it on and I'm going to show you guys how this one looks. थोड़ा dark लग रहा है. पहले यहाँ पे लगा के दिखाती हूँ आपको. Okay, this again, it's a shade of nude. This is how it is. Oh my god, ये बहुत, it's full of moisture. I think I've done a really good pick when it comes to lipsticks today. It's full of moisture. It looks really nice. Very subtle, very nice. Just good with all skin tones. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप गोरे हो या थोड़े darker shade के हो तो you know it'll not go look nice on you. It's just gonna go very very well on all, you know, skin types. Like, you know, any shade of the skin, it'll look really nice. You don't even have to think about it. So guys, this is the one that I've put right now. I've marked it here. It's on a 31% off. It's also on the deal of the day. So what are you waiting for? What are you thinking? Just go and pick it up. As a gift also, it's really nice. Actually, let me see. Oh, iska mark aaya. I think I just kissed it too soon. But yeah. Yeah, this one has a mark. Like, remember, हमने जो पहले वाले lipsticks try किए थे, उनमें there was no like residue. And I think this was, I had just applied it very fresh, but it didn't dry up इतनी जल्दी because ये natural hair, it is not you know, it doesn't have chemicals, so maybe it takes time. Like now that I'm talking, the lipstick is still there, but मुझे लग रहा है if I now kiss my hand तो ये lipstick का mark नहीं आएगा. Let's try it again. The third time it did come थोड़ा सा, but yeah. So this is what it is, and that is why we are doing this live, because this is the reality. And if it works for you, good. If it doesn't work for you, good. So yeah, the idea is to be honest, to try it out, show you how it is, show you how it looks. Though I love the shade, I don't care much about the residue. Like on the fourth kiss, it did not come out actually. Yeah, this much. Yeah, I think now it's set. But any day, I love the feeling it is. It doesn't make my lips dry, and that is what I love about it. Yeah, it is looking really nice. So we've done so many colors. We've done pinks, we've done natural, we've done nice balms and all of that. So now let's move to some pop. नेचुरल वाले तो बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पर जो मैंने सारे टैग किए हुए हैं. यू कैन गो चेक इट आउट. मोर और लेस they have almost the same kind of feeling that you get. But do you want me to try out a red lipstick? या तो एक लिपस्टिक की ना अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं क्योंकि वो मैंने खोला ही नहीं है. सो आई हैव नॉट इवन touched it. It is still wrapped like this and this is the Wet n Wild का lipstick. So let me just first mark it for you and let's see इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट है क्या. कोई तो अच्छा सा डिस्काउंट होना तो चाहिए. मैंने पिक तो किए थे बट अब it is not a discount but it has got 4.5 stars and 430 63 people have reviewed it. Oh my god, that's a huge number. So yes, there you go. This is the Wet n Wild का lipstick. So I'm opening it. I'm very nervous क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत रेड दिख रहा है but this is how it looks. This is how it is. It's a proper red lipstick. I don't put red lipstick, so okay, it's really nice. बहुत थोड़ू सा लगाया है मैंने. This is literally made by Rips, like super red. Now I know why so many people have reviewed it. Actually, red lipstick is so good when you're not. Majority of lipsticks are red. No, most of the lipsticks that I have marked here are all nudes and are pinks. This is the only lipstick which is red and I have marked it here. So ये एक notion है. But today's day and age, there are so many shades that come that you can't like just stick to one. आपको बहुत सारे lipsticks try करने पड़ेंगे to know which one looks what on you. And I think it is so personal. And I am a very regular. जो मेरा skin tone है वो normal Indian skin tone है. तो जैसा ये मेरे फेस पे लग रहा है वो वैसा ही आपके फेस पे लगेगा. कुछ बहुत ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट नहीं लगने वाला है until you're very fair because I'm not. So yeah, I love it. I love my new red lipstick जिसको मैंने आप सबके सामने अनबॉक्स किया है. It is a Wet n Wild का lipstick. I can't find. This is it. Do we get lipstick in mint green shades? Yes, I am sure you get it in all these shades because अब आने लग गए हैं बहुत सारे lipsticks in different shades and they all look so nice. And let's do the mark test. Mark is coming, guys. So we did a mark test for a lot of lipsticks. This is the second lipstick जिसका थोड़ा सा mark आ रहा है but it's not looking. It feels very like full of moisture and nice and yummy. So yeah, see, this is the mark that you. Slight. It's not like a lot. Oh, this is a very beautiful mirror that a very close friend of mine gifted me. And apparently ये hand made mirror है. It's not actually a mirror जो reflect करता है. So I'll show you just to go a little off topic for a bit and talk about this. See, when I put my finger on it, you see there's no gap here क्योंकि ये metal पे carve किया हुआ है. So it's like it gives you the real picture. It's exactly how you look. So that's why it's very special. That's why I've kept it here. You can see all my lip liners in the reflection also. So yeah. मन ही नहीं कर रहा कि रेड लिपस्टिक निकाल दूँ. But yes, I have to show you more lipsticks. So I cannot keep wearing this one. ये तो baby wipes है. So guys, if you're thinking I'm using, no. Like I said, I'm a mommy too. So baby wipes become a part of your life. And you use it for everything. So the lipstick is off. And I am ready to try more. Let's go ahead and see which other lipsticks are we going to try. I think this is the one I want to try, which is the Revlon. Oh my god, I have not told you about. Let's first, before lipstick, let's talk about Too Faced ka lip injection. This is like lip plumper. So sometimes आपको लगता है कि अरे इसके lips इतने pouty क्यों हैं? And it's not always कि you have to inject it and make it pouty. But then there are these products that make life super easy and look really nice. So this is a lip injection. I just ordered it and this is how it looks. और इसको लगाने के बाद ना आपको एक थोड़ी सी tingling सी feeling आएगी and that is like this doesn't have any color as such. It has a very thin red shade but then it makes your lips plumpier. And now the lipstick that I'm going to be is the injection, नहीं उसका नाम है बस लिप इंजेक्शन, हल्का सा टिंगलिंग इफेक्ट देता है, पेन नहीं करता है. सो गाइस लाइक दैट्स सुपर कूल. बट या आई राज एंड नाउ आई एम गोना ट्राई अनदर लिपस्टिक. लाइक आई सेड रेवलॉन का ये वाला न्यूड है, ये डेयर टू बी न्यूड एंड आई एम इन लव विद इट. सो लेट मी गो टू दैट वन एंड फेसेस कैनेडा I've tried. Where are you? Dare to be nude, Revlon. There you go. I'm sure it's here because I've added everything to show you guys. So here you go. Or let me just go to the Lakme one. So many lipsticks. Yes, this is Revlon's Dare to be Nude. We'll talk about it later. Let's just talk about this, which is, hi Tony, this is the Lakme liquid lipstick. It's only for 332 rupees. It's 17% off and it has got 1149 people who've is Lakme better than Revlon? That's a very good question. I just feel Revlon is a little more expensive but then they're both very good. If you want hydration, let me try this one and I will tell you. This is the one. आपको लग रहा है मेरे लिप्स प्लम्प है? Oh, very nice, yeah. Hi, Divya. See, again, it really looks nice and it's very, very... This is the shade that I'm talking about. This is your Lakme liquid lipstick, matte melt mini and Lakme Absolute. So Lakme has also a huge range of lipsticks. Hi, Shrishti, and this is how it looks and I love it. So there, I'm going to keep it back. You want me to try the Revlon? It's here with me. Dare to be Nude lipstick. So thank you, Divya. Let's try the Revlon and then we will talk about it. Yes, lag raha hai. Nice. So I am going to be trying one more lipstick and then we will say bye bye because time itna hi hai yaar. So I have to go back home and like get going. So let me try one or two more lipsticks for you guys and then yes, we'll say bye bye. Tell me fast अगर कोई particular shade आप you're looking for or you want a gift. I can suggest you something. जल्दी जल्दी पूछो. Love the colors. Thank you. Thanks. So I've got rid of this lipstick and now I am going to be trying some lipsticks from Revlon. So here you go. I'm going to mark it here for you and you can check it out. You can order it. And like I said, lip liners is a must. So I've got it all here. And where did you go? Fab Nudes. Thank you. So you go. Here you go. This is again a very natural nude color. You don't have to think about it. This will go on all skin tones. But like I said, if you're very fair, then aapke liye pink and reds are for you for sure. Like these ones that I have marked. And if you want to just play safe, then these. Plus for kids, we've got some nice, I got some nice lipsticks. So overtime color stay. This is again very smart. Watch क्यों नहीं पहनते अच्छी लगी. Thanks Vishal. स्मार्ट वॉच क्यों नहीं पहनते? ओके अभी हम स्मार्ट वॉच के बारे में बात करेंगे लिपस्टिक के बीच में. रियली मेरे पास है स्मार्ट वॉच वैसे. जस्ट फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन, एनी लिपस्टिक शेड यू वांट टू नो अबाउट, प्लीज आस्क मी. आई एम राइट हियर लाइव विथ यू फॉर ओनली 5 more minutes. So I'm just gonna like pick out my favorite ones for you guys. I'm sorry, we'll have to wrap this and I will tell you कौन से मेरे favorites थे. I think this lip liner box is amazing. It's got like 12 lip liners. These are the shades. that you get. And I think I should end this live with a nice red lipstick. So I'm gonna do that. And my favorites were My Glam. Here you go. Marking it right here. अगर आपको देखना है आप देख सकते हो. Check it out. It's really nice. This is the one there. And I loved all the shades from René Nudes. Fabulous shades. So yes, one of my favorites again. And I'm gonna put a nice red orange. Actually, I'll put an orange lip liner and then go off and say bye bye. I can see the numbers going up. I'd hate to leave, but then we have to leave. So guys, enjoy your Sunday. Have a good Sunday. Sleep till late. Order lots of products from Amazon. You can order lots of lipsticks now that you know so much about them. कौन सा वाला shade लगाऊं? No. I'm giving you shimmer. I'm giving you shine. Let me just put the one that we started from. It's not black. Oh my god. Just hydrate. नहीं मैं YouTube पे नहीं हूँ, but I'm literally considering, like, so many of you guys have asked me about YouTube that I'm thinking that I'll just do a channel and we'll talk about all the lives that I do on Amazon and later on YouTube so that you guys can even follow. Actually, I think on Amazon you can follow it. So ये जो है, it's not a lipstick, it's just a lip balm which has a little tint and color and it looks really nice. So there you go. And thank you guys. Have a fabulous Sunday. Lots of love. Take care. See you soon. Next time. Oh, day after I have a live again, which is going to also be very, very exciting. And it's on jewelry. So stay tuned and I will see you super soon. Bye. Thank you.